Hey, hi. So today what I'm with, this. Okay, what is this? This is Vega Lifestyle L3 volume hair dryer brush. Yes, can you able to see this? What this does? What this does? Tongue twister. So இது வந்து என்னென்ன பண்ணுது பார்க்கலாமா? So देखते हैं ये क्या क्या करता है. Blow dry hair in half the time. Then lightweight and travel friendly, 3 heat 2 speed settings. Let's see the irka dekhte hain sab hai kya. Yeah, so today I am with 3 languages. Okay, so this is how this looks. Da 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 da. So I'm just gonna comb like this. Next I'm just gonna fix it. Let's see the song. 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 is the count 1 I changed the ring light color. So now I'm done with one side. Can you able to see this, how smooth it is? Now I'm gonna do this side also the same. Let's see. Okay, finally this is how the final look. How's it? La 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 la. It's amazing. This also gives you a fluffy look hairstyle and smoothie. Superb and fantastic finish. Actually, see, this usually take max to max. It took 8 minutes for me, around 8 to 10 minutes to dry my hair. Okay, and still mild wet I can feel because I did not go back and I didn't do in the back, so bit wet feeling is there, but here there is no wet feel and it is totally kusi poo son papdi. Looks like son papdi. So can you just have a look? Ooh, yes, nice. Okay, hope you like this. I'm damn raw right now because I just came from the bath and I thought, okay, I always wanted to do this. So hope you liked it. And in the smoothie hair, soft hair, enna or the secret அப்படின்னு தெரியணுமா? Want to know what is the secret? जानना चाहते हो क्या सीक्रेट है मेरा ये सॉफ्ट लुक हेयर के लिए? डेफिनेटली नॉट दिस मशीन. मेरे पास एक जादू की छड़ी है. यस, आई विल टेल यू व्हाट स्पाइस दिस दैट आई यूज्ड टू मेक दिस हेयर सो लुक क्यूट एंड सॉफ्ट. Okay, so that I'll make it in another video. So as of now, bye bye, hope you liked it. And yes, the last but not the least, my suggestion is, yes, you can buy this product. So it's bit heat here, so don't touch here, but I can able to touch, but it's not like that we can't able to touch like that. I can touch, but it's heat, so be careful when you have kids around you. So when you use this product, don't be near to the kids and you just keep there and you're just doing it again, you're doing something, then your kid keep their hand in this machine, then so don't create that situation. Don't wait for the situation. Okay. Just for the safer side. Okay, bye bye, hope you liked it. Please do like, comment and subscribe my channel, and next I'm coming with another video. Bye bye.